Hey friends, if Windows 11 hangs or freezes, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. This will actually fix the problem in most of the cases because it is usually a process which is causing the problem, and if you fix the process, then it will fix the problem. The next solution is to update Windows. And you know what? This actually helps. I'll tell you later why. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates. If you find any cumulative update, definitely install it. If cumulative updates are pending, this is one of the major reasons for slowing down your system because Microsoft has this kind of policy. I mean, an unwritten policy. I've observed it that if you try to defer cumulative updates, it will freeze your system. The next solution is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup, and then check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is an SFC scan which will fix broken and corrupt files on the system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. And then type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So we have a command here which is msdt.exe -id device diagnostic. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and try to run it. The last solution is to perform a system restore just in case a recent change in the system has caused the problem. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Okay, click on open system restore and then click on next. Select a go to restore point, click on next, and finally click on finish to restore the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.